So, hi friend, this is my Mautic software, and here I connected Office 365 SMTP with my Mautic. This is the SMTP server details, and this is the sender email address. And let's check the test connection of my Office 365 SMTP with Mautic. Test connection success. And I configured my Office 365 all DNS properly like SPF, DKIM, DMARC, MX record. So I expect that my email will hit in inbox because Office 365 SMTP is a good SMTP server. So let's send a test email. Click channel, then click email, then click edit, then click send example. So let's send a test email to the GMAS inbox tester. Copy first email address, then click send. Test email were delivered, and look, this email landed in inbox. Search my email address inside the GMAS. So 32 seconds ago this email were delivered, and I got this email inside the inbox, and let me send a test email to your email address. This is your email address. Send. So I send a test email to your email address, and let's change our email template. Click edit. So this time I will choose your email template that you send a test email from Mautic Sunday. This email template name is Sunday, and past email template was gold star. So if I send a test email using gold star template, mail will hit in primary inbox of the Gmail. And if I send test email using this Sunday template, mail will hit in promotion folder. That's why issue is in mail content. So if I change this email template and send a test email, save and close, send example. Also send a test email to the GMAS. And search. So subject line is same, but email template is different for this. So one email landed in primary inbox and one email landed in promotion folder. So if you change your email content and if you modify your email template, then your email will hit in primary folder instead of promotional folder. So I think you are clear about this topic, and next time you can send email in inbox by doing this test, and you can get some good open rate if you follow my guideline. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.